things first, this is the only hair dryer on the market that has the motor in the handle and not in the head.
Okay.
So the way that we do that, keep this see-through shape right here, is because there's no motor in here.
Okay.
So you're not going to get that top-heavy effect. So when you hold it, it's only 1.8 pounds.
Okay.
What's also really cool is we have magnetic attachments.
I love that. These are hot because you don't even have to pick. You can just be here.
Yep, people do that. I see people doing that all the
Crazy.
time. Everything is specific to Dyson. Nobody has this. Nobody has magnetic attachments. Nobody's using air multiplier technology. So this is just like our fan right here. So it's using the same technology.
This is brilliant.
These things have been tested 7,000 hours, like on 1,000 miles of hair. It hasn't even been out a year. So you're going to get some real.
Yeah, good. Nice.
For people with, say, textured hair, or even if you don't have super textured hair, people that care about heat. I care about heat. I don't want my natural curls to be damaged by a hair dryer. So we have something called intelligent heat control. So a lot of stylists will put the brush right up to that.
And it'll when you're brushed off.
Yep. So with this, it's measuring the heat every 20 seconds, so it's not going to go over 305 degrees. That's major. You don't have to worry about that yourself. It's going to take care of it for you.
So the heat adjusts and the airflow doesn't.
Exactly.
Which is nice.
Right.
Okay. What's this?
The filter. So that just twists off. We recommend for professionals, you wipe this down with, say, a cloth once a week.
That's hot. I like that. All right. So price.
Price.
There's always that.
I understand.
When you talk about Dyson, right?
So the retail price is $399.
Okay. I like it. I'm gonna get one.
That's amazing. That's exciting. I think you'll really like it.
No, I think I will too.
So the ultra sleek design, magnetic attachments, and quiet motor made me take the plunge and get one. I bet this product's engineering will influence the look and feel of professional dryers for quite some time. Get yours at Dyson.com, and for a limited time, there's a special Mother's Day edition available as well.